Hello, it's John here, and today I'm excited to share how you can assign a particular resource or tool to your students. Now, all of the core resources of Reading Wonders are already available to your students on the student dashboard, but we know you want to be able to differentiate the resources for your students. So I'm going to just share a couple of ways you can do that. One easy way to do this is to enter through the home page, and again I'm going to click on Introduce the Concept here, and it takes me into that hosted bar of resources for instruction. And as I toggle across, I just want to share that anything that has a box around it and a wheel down at the right corner can be assigned to students. So let's go over and click on the wheel below the weekly concept video, and then I can toggle down to assign this resource. And what comes up is really my page to manage and assign this particular resource for my students. Now, if the resource is ready to assign, it appears over in the right-hand column, still in its box with the cog. And I can name that assignment. Here I'm going to name it Weekly Concept Video. And then after I name it, I can give my student that I'm going to assign it to, or my small group of students, or my whole class, if that's what I'm doing, some special instructions to use this resource. And I'm just going to ask them to watch the video without sound and narrate it to a friend. And after I have those instructions in, I can choose a start date for the assignment by toggling into the calendar, and a due date. I'm going to make this start on the 6th, and I'm going to make it due on the 8th. And I'm going to go ahead and look down and decide, is this going to go to one kiddo? Or is it going to go to a small group? Or is it going to be for everybody? And I'm going to just ask Artie to do this. So I've checked his box. Once I've done that, I just click Assign. And this special assignment will appear on Artie's student dashboard. Now let's look at some other ways I can access resources to assign. I can click into the Resource tab. And once the resources are up, I can see the resources in presentation mode. Now notice each of these are all boxed and with wheels, so I could choose any one of them. A game, a vocabulary resource, the close reading piece, any one thing, the level text, and assign to a particular group of students or individual student. And then I can tab into the classroom materials, and there I can see all of the resources ready to assign individually. A particular practice page that's differentiated for a level can be assigned. Or I can go on down and I can assign whole resources to students. All of the practice and application opportunities for a particular level of students can be opened and assigned. Thanks for spending this time with me today. As we go home, I'll invite you to take action with this. Go in, find a resource, assign it to one student or a group of students, and then don't forget to join our online discussion boards to talk with others about the experience of doing this. Thanks for being with me today. Bye now.